हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है सभ्य कुमार और मैं आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल सभ्य मेंटर में स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग के ऊपर क्विज करेंगे। ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग तकनीक आइडिया जनरेशन के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी तकनीक है। इसमें समस्याओं का हल निकालने के लिए और नए नए आइडिया को जनरेट करने के लिए टीम मेंबर से सुझाव मांगे जाते हैं। इसका उपयोग शॉप फ्लोर के आदमी, मैनेजर, पॉलिटिशियन आदि लोग करते हैं। इस टेक्निक का उपयोग हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग के दौरान कई बार कर सकते हैं। क्वालिटी सर्कल में जो भी एग्ज़ाम होते हैं उसमें ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग से संबंधित क्वेश्चन भी पूछे जाते हैं। इसी बात को ध्यान में रखकर हमने यह क्विज तैयार किया है। चलिए हम क्विज को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच टाइप ऑफ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग विल बी मोर यूजफुल फॉर क्वालिटी सर्कल्स टीम ड्यूरिंग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफिकेशन स्टेज? राउंड रॉबिन मेथड, unstructured method, slip method, reverse brainstorming? Answer is a round robin method. Question number 2, which method is known as structured brainstorming method, slip method, round robin, reverse brainstorming? None of the above. Answer is B, round robin. Question number 3. In the context of brainstorming, the rate of flow of ideas is known as awareness, drive, fluency, flexibility. Answer is C, fluency. Question number 4. In the context of brainstorming, the ability to look into future is known as drive, awareness, flexibility, fluency. Answer is B, awareness. Question number 5. In which type of brainstorming do we follow the four rules? A, contribute in turn. B, one idea per turn. C, pass if no idea. D, do not explain your idea. Round robin method, slip method, freewheeling, hitchhiking process. Answer is A, round robin method. Question number 6. Which is correct about the freewheeling method of brainstorming? A few may keep on speaking for a long time. Many may speak at the same time. People may stray away from the main point. All of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question number 7. Which brainstorming method is more useful during problem identification in quality circle meeting? Round robin method, unstructured method, slip method, reverse brainstorming? Answer is A, round robin method. Question number 8. During brainstorming session, quantity is more important than quality. Quality is more important than quantity. Quality and quantity both are important. None of the above. Answer is A, quantity is more important than quality. Question number 9. In a round robin method, what should a member do if he has no idea during his turn? Take another chance, pass to another member. Both can be done, none of the above. Answer is B, pass to another member. Question number 10. If one has suggested the opposite idea during brainstorming session, whether this is permitted or not? No, yes, cannot say, none of the above. Answer is B, yes. Question number 11. Which is a type of thinking in brainstorming? Creative thinking, logical thinking? C, both A and B. D, none of the above. Answer is C, both A and B. Question number 12. The ability of a mind to move from one area to another area quickly can be measured by counting the categories of the ideas given by oneself, by counting the quantity of the ideas in one area. Both A and B, none of the above. Answer is A, by counting the categories of ideas given by oneself. Question number 13. The hitchhiking takes place in which type of brainstorming? Round robin method, freewheeling, sleep method, both A and B. Answer is D, both A and B. Question number 14. In which type of brainstorming the hitchhiking is not possible? Round robin method, freewheeling, sleep method, reverse brainstorming. Answer is C, sleep method. Question number 15. What is hitchhiking in brainstorming? Drive ideas on others' idea, building up on others' idea, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is B, building up on others' idea. Question number 16. Which type of brainstorming is mostly used in identifying the problems in small group? Round robin method, freewheeling, sleep method, reverse brainstorming. Answer is A, round robin method. Question number 17. Out of the 5 key elements suggested by Mr. J.P. Guilford on human ability to be creative, willingness to contribute to achieve the end goal without the fear of failure is known as flexibility, drive, fluency, none of the above. Answer is B, drive. Question number 18. The piggybacking is supported by quality circle leader in which condition? When brainstorming says to slow down, when brainstorming session has to start, when brainstorming session has to stop, none of the above. Answer is A, when brainstorming session seems to slow down. Question number 19. The 5 key elements like the drive, fluency, flexibility, originality, and awareness was suggested by Mr. James Duran, Mr. J.P. Guilford, Mr. Casey Kawa, none of the above. Answer is B, Mr. J.P. Guilford. Question number 20. To collect the ideas of customers or suggestion across country, which type of brainstorming is helpful? Round robin, sleep method, freewheeling, none of the above. Answer is B, sleep method. इस प्रकार हमारा एक क्विज समाप्त होता है। आशा करता हूँ क्विज आपको पसंद आया होगा। यदि आप चैनल में नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी मिलती रहे।